My doorbell just went crazy, acting like I got packages. I wonder what it could be. Oh yes, they came. Guys, the headers are here for the Camaro. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Look at that, Kooks, baby, Kooks. Thank you to Fast Tech Performance. That only took like 5-6 days. Not that bad. I'll have to put that in the garage. So what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Car Guy Chronicles YouTube channel. Decided to give you a little different intro than I usually do with my welcome back to the channel. So welcome. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It is a hot day out here in Florida, let me tell you. It's about 95 degrees on a Thursday morning. It is probably 11 o'clock and it is so humid out here. It is ridiculous. That's why we're in the garage. I'm not going to a park today. I'm not even really want to do anything outside, although I will take you outside so you can see what today's video is based on. So today I want to talk to you guys about a couple of things, and we're going to start with number one. This has nothing to do with the title of the video, but number one, we finally reached our 1,000 subscriber goal, which means I got to give away some money now. So we're going to have that giveaway tonight live on the channel on a live stream. Never done a live stream, so we're going to see how that is. Whether or not Manny joins me, it is, well, you know, it's in the air. We'll see how it is because he gets out of work late. It depends. So if not him, it'll just be me. We'll be picking the winner tonight though. So thank you guys so much though. We really can't believe how fast it grew for us. I mean, from someone who started with 0 subscribers on February 28th, launching our first video with terrible video quality and terrible everything. The Challenger was beautiful, but otherwise the video quality sucked. We hit 1,000 subs in 3.5 months, and we're extremely grateful, and we cannot wait to give you more and more and more content to come. We're going to discuss future giveaways, stuff like that, because we're never going to stop giving away stuff. You know, I like giving things away. I like entertaining people. I like giving people new products to try, and that kind of leads into what's behind me on top of my car. We'll get to that in a second. But I want to talk to you guys about the Eibach ProKit springs that I put on my 2018 Camaro SS 1LE. Now, these are made for the 1LE. I will put the link below in the description for the springs. Again, for the 1LE only. For an SS, you got to put your vehicle in on Eibach.com and it'll totally find the right ones for you. Now, these are supposed to not screw with magnetic ride at all, and I'm telling you, trust me, I drove the car a lot lately and it's perfect. Now, these springs run you $294.30, as you can see right in that. If the camera wants to focus, but you see it. Okay, I'm gonna put the link anyway, so you'll see it. Trust me. So $294.30. Free shipping at the moment, at least when I bought them, was free shipping from from Eibach.com. So let's just say if they have shipping, let's just throw another $20 on there. I'm throwing you just a big amount just so you have an idea of what you got to spend. So let's say you're at $314, right? So you need an alignment, so add that about $80 to $100 on top of that. And then if you do the install for free, it's going to be total is going to be around like $450, I'd say $400. And then if you have someone do it for you, you're looking at almost $5 something. So it depends on how much you want to spend, if you want to do it yourself or not. But otherwise, it's a little expensive, but not too bad. I mean, if you know what I'm saying. You don't have to do a coilover. A lot of people say, oh, do coilovers because more handling. Well, you got the best handling car, best handling pony car out there right now in its price range. So you don't need coilovers. You have magnetic ride suspension. You really don't need any coilovers or anything like that. You just got to slap a little spring on this thing and you're perfect. Trust me. 0.7 in the front, 0.7 in the rear. It's going to lower it too, which isn't a significant difference, but like I said, it's just to kind of get rid of that little gap. If I take 3 fingers there, it fits perfectly in the stock. 2 fingers fit perfectly afterwards, so it's about a finger difference. Nothing crazy. But I mean, like I said, if you guys want to lower your car, this is a good option, not to screw with your ride height, and I mean not to screw with your magnetic ride, and to still get that look for you. But definitely I recommend it. I like the little lowered look. It does actually make a little bit of a difference. I'll give you a quick picture right here of stock. So that's stock. And now here's one after. Okay, so that's your little difference. Like I said, very small, but shows a little bit of help. Now it's not like my H&R with my Challenger. That was a huge difference, but this is good, I think. It's right enough where it's not going to go scraping everywhere, and it just sits nice on that top of the tire a little bit. So, new tires will be coming in the future, by the way. I think next I might go 315s. I saw some people do that, and it looks like it works. Maybe a 335. I've seen that work. So, I'll be the guinea pig for you guys. Let's see what, what I find. If I ask around and people say 335 is the way to go, that's a huge tire, but we'll see. I think 315s are probably the best bet. This link will be below, and it's going to be there for you in the description, so check it out. And we installed it ourselves, so I do want to show you guys a quick little... Right now I'm going to insert a quick little mini video of us installing the springs. The reason why I'm showing you this is to show, one, we do our own work, and two, the new shop is in the video. So you'll see it. It's a little dirty right now. We're sharing it with some friends, and they have a lot going on. They build boat motors and drag cars for a living, so they're very busy. And yeah, you're gonna see some really cool stuff come out of that shop. Now, everybody, so this is the shop right here. I'm on the top deck over here by the DJ booth. Camaro's already on the lift. Manny is right there. See him right there? We get a little zoom. Manny, say hello. Him and his black hands right now. Got the wheels off, starting the lowering kit with the springs. Eibach's are sitting over there. We're gonna put them on. It's hard for me to video here because we're doing both work, so I'm gonna leave you right here to watch. I just want to show you guys a quick little walk around of how it looks after the lowering springs were installed. These settled for about, today's Thursday, and put them on Monday. So see, they look, down a little bit, they look pretty good. I think they look really good. I think they sit just right. You don't really want too much more than that, unless you're like a racer or something, but definitely an aggressive stance for it. Definitely I'm happy with it. Thank you so much for watching this little video on me lowering my Camaro with Eibach lowering springs. I hope I was of any assistance to you if maybe you're in the market for lowering springs and you realize these are the springs you want to go with. Go for it, man. They're good stuff. Trust me, you won't be disappointed with them, and I think it turned to look out really good. I just want to thank you guys again for just amazing support, and I can't wait to share more content with you guys. And it just, for someone like me who I'm very, very busy, and to take time out of my day to do this stuff, it's motivated. It takes a lot of motivation, and with you guys behind my back supporting me and leaving those nice comments you leave, it just helps me kick my ass up and make some videos. So let's give a big shout out to Brilliant Gloss on Instagram, @BrilliantGloss. I always get confused which side of the screen to go to, but he's a very good guy. He sells Chemical Guys products. He's a distributor for them. If you need any car wash products, visit him on Instagram. There's a link for his website in there, and you can use the discount code Vicious12, and you get 12% off. So it's definitely worth it. Check it out, guys. Thank you so much, though. Have a great day, and we will see you in just a couple of hours on the next video. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one.